Hey guys! Today we're going to be opening a really exciting package that I got in the mail the other day. And I'm just excited, okay? This is the CROZ Vintage Set, which you can find under camera bundles on their website. And the website link is in my description. I am so excited to open this. Okay, I'll let you have the first peek. I'm going to open it, and you're going to look at it, okay? It is so pretty. It is so pretty. You cannot tell me this is not pretty. First, I'll let you know what's in this box so that you know what to expect if you get this bundle. It comes with 2 cases, one clear one and one wooden one, as well as the brass frame that goes around the case to keep it together. It comes with the same camera board that all the cameras come with. It has 6 pairs of the fasteners, so 3 for each camera case. These ones use 3 instead of 2. It comes with 2 lenses, the macro lens and the wide angle lens, along with a 16GB SD card, the cable to connect your camera to your laptop or to charge it if you're using rechargeable batteries, and a fancy camera strap. Now that we've seen everything inside, it's time to assemble. As we saw, it comes with 2 case options, the clear one and the wood one. So let's decide which one we're gonna use right now. Let's do the wood one, I'll put on the clear one after. So this is the front and this is the back. It's actually different than the regular camera cases. Normally they come like this, just one piece that folds over the camera, but these both work with the same camera board. They're just different case options. Step 1 is to put the SD card into the camera, so we're going to put it in this slot right here. Ta-da! Next, we're going to put the effect switch that's on the back of the camera into the slot on the back side of the case. There we go. Step 3 is to take the brass frame and put it onto the camera body. Now we add our 2 AAA batteries into the camera. Rechargeable is recommended. I don't have rechargeable right now, but I just ordered some, so don't worry. Now we attach the front cover to the camera. So it comes with 6 fasteners in total, 3 for each case. Since the case widens at the bottom, it needs a longer screw, so 2 of them are for the bottom holes and the other 4 are for the 2 top holes. Okay, it is assembled. Look how pretty this is. Holy crap. Let's take a photo, see if it's working. The brass frame has a hole on one side to connect the cable and 2 holes on each side for the camera strap. I think we also have to assemble the clear one because this comes with 2 cases, so might as well show both of them. This one has a protective sticker on the outside, so we're gonna peel that off first. Oh my god, it's so clear. I don't want to touch it now. It's so clean. Okay, let's put it on. Look how pretty this is. Are you kidding? I'm obsessed with this. I also almost forgot, let's test out the camera strap real quick. All right, I just put the camera strap on by putting it through the hole on the side and then putting the screw through the loop of the camera strap, if that makes any sense. The other way to attach the camera strap is by looping it through the 2 holes on the sides so that when you take your camera apart, the strap doesn't come off. And the lenses that come with the set just magnetically attach to the front of the camera, so you just put it on, and there you go. And again, it comes with the macro and the wide angle lens. So yeah, that was the unboxing and assembly of the CROZ Vintage Set. If you're interested in getting a paper shoot for yourself, you can check out the link in my description, and you can stay tuned here for more paper shoot content. All right, bye.